In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the mouse track in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick privacy and appearance setting that can make your browsing feel cleaner and less distracting, especially if you've accidentally turned the mouse track on and want to disable it again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main settings menu. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page where you can adjust appearance, privacy, behavior, and more. On the left side of the screen, click Appearance. This section controls how the browser looks and behaves visually, so it's the right place to find this option. Next, scroll through the appearance settings until you find Browser Behavior and Features. Click that option to open the Advanced Browser Behavior settings. Inside this menu, look for Configure Mouse Gesture. This is where Edge keeps the mouse track and gesture-related controls. Click Configure Mouse Gesture and you'll see a toggle for Show Mouse Track. To hide the mouse track, simply switch Show Mouse Track off. As soon as you turn it off, the mouse track should disappear and no longer show while you're using Edge. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully hidden the mouse track in Microsoft Edge. This is a great little tweak if you want a cleaner browser experience or just prefer fewer visual distractions while browsing. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Microsoft Edge tips, browser tricks, and quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.